Today we're there with
Real King TV. Yes, man, that is it.
Mr. Real King.
Yeah.
What are your experience when dating a Jamaican woman?
Boy, the woman them, boy, me not like, most of the time about the experience, you know. Me not like sort of terrible, you know. So the woman them terrible, you know. Jesus Christ, the woman them terrible, man. Jesus. Yo, the woman them know them one. The woman them, most of them don't know them one, G. Sometimes, yo, them meet, me say, enough of them being some good man and waste it star, and then them bad say, oh, the man this or the man that. Yo, the woman in Jamaica want to know them one. I tell that straight. That's how me personally think. Woman them in Jamaica don't know what them want. Said, hard to find a good. Them bad, so they can't find a good man. I don't know what to do, man. Them. But good man did it, but they don't know them one. They don't know them one. That's all
right. Next question.
Yeah.
9 plus 9 times 9.
9 plus 9 are 18 times 9 are 81. Times 9? 9 are 81, man. 81. I'm wrong. 81. 9 are 81. That's all.
Anyway, people, comment the answer in the comment section. You see me? In totally wrong, but comment the answer. You see me?